Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall, and Rosa Rabbit. Hello, friends. So glad everyone's here today. Let's begin by reading our learning target. I can identify specific sounds in words. Our first activity is going to be rhyming words. Our category today is words that keep you healthy. I am going to say a make-believe word that rhymes with a real word of something that keeps you healthy. Your job is to come up with the real word. Let's see if we can do it. I know we can too. Our first make-believe is Lexercise. What's a real word that keeps you healthy that rhymes with Lexercise? Exercise! I like to hop for exercise. I bet you do, Rosa. Say neep. What's a word that keeps you healthy that rhymes with neep? Sleep. Yes, sleep. Good job. Now say vegetables. What's a real word that keeps you healthy that rhymes with vegetables? My favorite thing, vegetables. That's right, vegetables. I love vegetables too. Great job coming up with rhyming words, everyone. For our next activity, we are going to identify the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say two words. You're going to say the sound that starts both of those words. Say sag, some. What's the first sound? S. That's right. S. Say pin, poke. What's the first sound? P. Yes, p. Say lot, lock. What's the first sound? Ooh. Yes, ooh. Say cut, come. What's the first sound? K. Yes, k. Say bed, bag. What's the first sound? B. Yes, b is the first sound. Great job identifying the first sound in words. Now I'm going to get my choppers out and chop syllables in words. When I go like this, you're going to say what the word is. Are you ready? Angel. Angel. Tiger. Tiger. Lemon. Lemon. Pocket. Pocket. Excuse. Excuse. Cover. Cover. Great job putting syllables together to make a word. Now we are going to work on identifying the final sound we hear in words. The final sound is the last sound. Let's give it a try. Say red. What's the last sound in red? D. Yes, D. Say yellow. What's the last sound? Oh, yes, O. Say gray. What's the final sound? A. Yes, A. Say green. What's the final sound? Yes, Good job, everyone, identifying the final or last sound we hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You are going to chop the syllables you hear in the word. You ready to give it a try? Say insist. Now chop the syllables in. Insist. Insist. Great job. Say sequence. Now chop the syllables in. Sequence. Sequence. Great job. Say finger. Now chop the syllables in finger. Finger. Super job. Say accept. Now chop the syllables in accept. Accept. Super job. Let's do one more. Say mention. Now chop the syllables in mention. Mention. Good job. Breaking down a word into its syllables. For our next activity, we are going to say a word, change the first syllable, and then say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say recite. Change re to X. New word, excite. Good job. Say spoonful. Change spoon to bash. What's our new word? Bashful. Say careful. Change care to help. What's our new word? Helpful. Say painter. Change paint to sweat. New word, sweater. Great job changing the first syllable in a word to make a new word. For our next activity, we are going to work on adding a first syllable to the last part of a word. I'm going to say the ending syllable, tell you the first sound to add or first syllable to add. When I go like this, we'll say what the word is. Ready? Say gel. Add ain to the first of it. What's the word? Angel. Say take. Add miss. What's our word? Mistake. Good job. Say in. Add lem. What's our new word? Lemon. Good. Say pet. Add car. What's our new word? Carpet. Great job starting with the ending syllable of a word, adding the first syllable, and saying what our word is. Good job. Now we're going to start with a word. Take away the ending part and say what the first part left is. You ready? Say fever. Say it without ver. What's left? Fee. Good job. Say bacon. Say it without kin. What's left? Bay. Say carpet. Say it without pet. What's left? Car. Say rubber. Say it without rub. Great job. Let's do one more. Say frozen. Say it without N. What's left? Froze. Great job taking off the word ending and saying what's left. For our last activity, Rosa is going to hop in and help us count words and sentences. Let's get started. Here's the first one. I learn at my school. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. I learn at school. How many words is that? 4. Yes, 4 words. Here's our next one. My eyes help me learn. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. My eyes help me learn. How many words is that, everybody? 5 words. Yes, that was 5 words. Let's do one more. Dogs can make loud noises. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. Dogs can make loud noises. How many is that, everybody? 5 words and sentences. You're right. That was 5 words. Well, that's all we have for today, everyone. Great job counting words and sentences, and great job overall with our sounds and words today. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.